Hello, learners. In today's lesson, we'll explore some culinary terms which you might come across while discussing food or cooking. These are mostly related to Western cuisines, but have been adopted and used widely across the world. Ready to join us on this gastronomic journey? Sure, let's proceed. Let's start with the term cuisine. What do you think this means? Well, it refers to a style or method of cooking, often linked to a specific culture or region. For example, Indian cuisine involves a multitude of regional and traditional cuisines native to India. It's that simple. Our next term is artisanal. This implies something is handmade in a traditional, non-mechanized way, frequently used to describe high-quality food produced by skilled craftsmen. Did you know that artisanal cheeses or chocolates are often considered gourmet delights? Moving on, we have connoisseur. This term denotes someone with expert knowledge or discriminating tastes in a specific area, such as food and drink. So, if you have a friend who always knows the best wines, can discern the quality of caviar or chocolate with just a taste, that friend is a connoisseur. The word gourmet might be familiar to some of you. It refers to food or a drink of high quality and style. And a person who is a connoisseur of eating and drinking is also referred to as a gourmet. Let's look at a French term now, charcuterie. It refers to cold-cooked meats collectively. Often you might find a charcuterie board at parties or fine dining restaurants, featuring a variety of these meats alongside cheeses, fruits, and breads. And now a special cooking method, sous-vide. This is where food is vacuum sealed in a bag and then cooked at a precise temperature in a water bath, often for a long time. This method helps retain flavors and cook the food evenly. Our next term is sommelier. This is a professional trained in wine tasting, selecting, and serving, often in a fine dining setting. They are the experts you turn to for advice when deciding which wine would be best for your meal. We shall now tackle the term gastronomy. It is the practice or art of choosing, cooking, and eating good food. Furthermore, the study of food cultures is called gastronomy as well. The term delectable falls next in line, a very positive adjective used to describe food that is extremely tasty. You'll often hear phrases like, "The apple pie was simply delectable." Lastly, infusion. This word isn't exclusively related to food, but is commonly used in context with cooking or making beverages. It refers to the process of extracting flavors by allowing a material like tea leaves or herbs to remain suspended in a solvent over time. Just like when you make a cup of tea. Great job making it through that, folks. We hope this was a delectable lesson for all of you. Keep practicing and stay curious. Until our next linguistic adventure.